Hi friends, welcome back to Whiskey and Wit. Today's video is going to be take 2 of my Target dollar spot shop with me / haul. I finally was able to find some of the Easter things I had mentioned in my last video, so I won't be repeating anything I shared over there. So if you haven't seen part 1, I will link it for you both at the end of this video, up in the iCards, and down below. So be sure to check that out to see all the other Target goodies and the stuff I've already picked up, but I wanted to share with you some of the new finds, so stay tuned. Alright, so now that I'm home, I wanted to share with you guys the other things that I ended up picking up from the Target dollar spot. So the first two are these, what look like cutting boards, but the sticker actually says they're a trivet, and I'm actually going to use them as a base for a DIY, especially because this one, it looks a little bare to me. Like, I love the ears, but I think I can put some sayings, something on there, so I'll share that with you guys on my Instagram once I do that. But in case you're interested in the egg, the DPCI number right there, 234-210921. These both were $5, and this one looks like similar DPCI numbers. So you can put both of those into BrickSeek. I will link down below how to use that if you are unfamiliar. If for some reason you're seeing like not information pop up from BrickSeek for these numbers, it either means that it's not loading in their system yet, they're sold out, or that your store just isn't going to carry that particular SKU. So just a tip on there. I also picked up these really cute napkin rings. I'm going to do like an affordable Easter tablescape that you can use with some Dollar Tree items and some Bullseyes playground items. So they have different colored bunnies here. This was $3. There's the information on that one. I grabbed this really cute bud vase for some of these little tulips. They'll look super cute in there. And these are the real feel tulips. So they feel, it's hard to explain, but they do feel like real tulips. They're kind of a mixture between soft and kind of waxy, but I really like how they look. And for $1, they are going to be really nice to incorporate into decor. So there's the number for those guys. They're all about the same. They also have white ones. I haven't been able to find those yet. I would like a couple white ones, but my store didn't have them. I also grabbed this container. The design on this is super pretty, and once I flipped it over and saw that it was 3 instead of 5, I was sold. All of these are only $3, which for the size is awesome. I also grabbed this cute little carrot patch sign. I like that it's Easter themed, but it doesn't necessarily say Happy Easter on it. So it can kind of be spring, and you can decorate it with bunnies. You could leave it up a little longer if you felt like it, but it looks more just like spring. So you could put it with a garden display or an Easter display, which I thought was nice because it didn't say Easter. And then these I was so excited about. They're the little mini wreaths. They had things like this around Christmas time, but these are with the lamb's ear, and I love this. If you're not in need of any type of wreath, you can also get this for the little sprigs. I use these in my DIY Dollar Tree Farmhouse books. These little wreaths are perfect. You can fit a candle inside of it. You can also hang it on the wall. Here is the information on this because I know I'm going to get questions on these. That's what I ended up grabbing. That is in addition to just the couple 2-3 things I picked up in my first video. If you haven't seen that, I will link it at the end of this video so you could check it out. And also let me know down below either what you're most hoping to find out of this collection or your favorite score so far. I love to see what everybody else is picking up, and like to know what you guys are searching for. So also, if you're interested in seeing some of my finds, also be sure to follow me over on Facebook and Instagram. I share a lot of stuff there too when I'm out in the stores finding things. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Hit subscribe down below so you don't miss any future Whiskey and Whit videos, including DIYs of some of the items that I picked up in this video. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye!